So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me about the actual channel, about our Learning MG channel, and many of you have been asking me that what's the worst part about having a YouTube channel. So I'm going to tell you three main things that I really do not enjoy about having a YouTube channel. First of all, and I'm sorry, this is the first actual issue, is taxes. You've got to pay taxes, whether it's an LLC or whether you're using it as your personal actual work, you're going to pay taxes. Second of all, you've got to record even if you are not feeling great. You still have to record. And I mean, sometimes you just want to chill and you've got videos. I personally have been for a year and a half uploading videos daily at 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. So 2 daily videos, and yeah, they're short, but still it's sometimes it's quite challenging, and it may just be videos. I'm sure there are other works that are more difficult, but it is true that daily videos for a year, 2 years, 3 years, as you can see, 6,000 videos, it's quite a lot of videos, and at the end of the day, it's on top of other work we do. And the third thing I would say is that sometimes, for instance, this faceless video, I do not tell many people about it, and I just think that sometimes people think that I do not want to do a hangout or I do not want to do some stuff because I'm working on the channel. I do a lot of posts too, as you can see. I do many posts, to be honest, and I've just been working on trying to get the videos better. I've just been trying to get the actual process better, but it sometimes can be very overwhelming. And I know I'm a privileged person because many people do not actually get the chance of monetizing their channel or do not get the chance of getting as many views, I'm sure. But sometimes it's not about the views. It's many times it's about the comments. I really enjoy the comments when people actually write me and tell me that our video helped them out. That's the best thing of the YouTube channel, to be honest. That's the most reconforting stuff that I usually get. And I just wanted to share it because we always share the positive side, but sometimes you've also got to share the intrinsic difficult parts of owning a YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments what you think.